When most people hear the words crochet, lace, they immediately picture tiny thread, complicated patterns, and enough counting to question their life choices. But here's the secret. Lace isn't actually a stitch. Oh, mind blown, right? Hey crochet friends, I'm Mo, your crochet companion, and today we're starting a brand new journey into the world of crochet lace, because lace has a reputation for being maybe complicated, but once you understand what actually makes lace, it starts feeling a whole lot less mysterious. So if lace isn't a stitch, what is it? Lace is really about space. Now, as you can see from this fabric is dense. The stitches sit really close together. There isn't much room for light to go through. Not seeing anything, right? But here, notice all the openings. Notice how much lighter it feels. Notice how the fabric moves a little bit different. Right? That's basically lace. Let me show you another example. My first example, that was on there, and you can see it moves differently. The light goes through it. That's lace. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be in thread to be lace. One of the biggest secrets to lace is something called negative space. Now, before you panic, no, we're not having an art class today. Negative space is just the empty space between the stitches. So this right here, negative space, right? Those holes aren't mistakes. The holes are the design itself. Another thing that affects lace is drape. Some crochet fabric feels firm, some feels soft, some flows and moves, and lace often focuses on creating movement in the fabric itself. Now, hook size does play a role too. Same yarn with different hooks. A larger hook often creates more openness. A smaller hook creates a denser fabric. Neither is wrong, they simply create different effects. And finally, lace comes in many forms, like filet crochet, the shell stitch, hairpin lace, broomstick lace, and even Irish lace. Different techniques, different styles, but they're all using space and structure in a creative way. And honestly, I think that's why I love lace so much. It's not about making more stitches. It's about learning what happens when you leave space for the design to actually breathe. So tell me in the comments, what's the first thing that comes to mind when you hear the words crochet lace? Until next time, try not to fear the holes, and may your hooks never hide.